We're going to do something a little bit new today because I am a tool guy. I love my tools. And we got a new product out by Matco, the Bluetooth battery tester. And it's been battle proven from what the tool guy says. And we're gonna try it out today. So we'll give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down. See if it's worthy. There's a nice little safety seal here. And that is what it looks like right out of the box. Let's take a look at it. As you can see here, you have your positive side and you have your negative side. And I'll show you the app that you have to download to use it. So let's give it a shot. I'll show you guys. So you will go to the Google App Store and you will type in Max Battery. Or if you have Apple Store, it'll be still Max Battery. And as you can see, it popped up right there. Popped up right there. Doop. Gonna click it. And it should be this one. Hit install. And wait. Your open icon will show up. Boop. Allow battery tester to access this device's location while using the app. Allow. Okay. Here we are. Now we're going to move on to the next segment. We're going to test out a lawnmower battery and a car battery. So hold tight. So it is as simple as opening the app. So that is what the app looks like. You'll click it. Doop. You'll get this that comes up. So we're just going to do it. So we have our battery tester set up. The blue light is on, which means it's sending Bluetooth signal. And we have our app open. So we're just going to do a battery health test on this one also. It says current voltage is 17.19. Floating charge voltage will occur when battery voltage is higher than 12.9, such as starting engine before test. Continue. And then we will just do next. And this is Battery Council International. And this is a 650 cold cranking amp battery. So we will hit next. Okay. Gives me my battery voltage, 17.2. Battery life status of health, 14.9. Because I do have a float charger on this, because I'm running a little bit more amperage out of it. Battery life status of health, 49%. Measured starting current is 455 cold cranking amps. Input rating is 650. Internal resistance is 6.58. Okay, let's move on to the next segment. Okay, now we're going to do start system health, which is the second test. So we'll hit the start system button. It'll say connecting. Okay, and it'll give you a warning message here. Please turn off all electrical components, including car lights, radio, air conditioner, etc. Second, it was turned off before the test. Confirm. Click confirm and start the engine test. Start the engine to test, sorry. Okay, 919 milliseconds at 16.43 volts, normal. Starting is normal. So we are done with that test. And that will give you a printout also with all of your parameters. Want a little bit of a closer look? There it is. Now we are going to do charging health test. Please start the engine before test to make sure it has started. So we will go ahead and confirm. Boop. And it's going through its check. Please increase the speed to 2,500 RPMs for 5 seconds. We'll go through the second check. No load voltage. On load voltage, 17.48. No load voltage is 17.49. High voltage. Diode ripple. Normal ripple voltage at 8.4 millivolts. You get a printout like this, and it looks like that. It comes with share, and there's a print button at the bottom on each one of them, so I think that's pretty cool. So I think that's a pretty neat tool for $129 off the Matco truck. They're always coming out with something new, something fun that just changes the game. So if you're interested, you can find it on Amazon, or you go to matcotools.com, and I will put a link down below. So thumbs up, subscribe, like, comment, whatever. Bitches, gripes, and complaints. Let me know what you think. I like the tool, but that's my personal preference. I recommend it, so give it a shot. Can't lose.